Did you know that when a woodpecker slams its face into a tree at 15 miles an hour, it avoids getting a massive concussion thanks to a tongue that wraps around its own brain? Every single peck subjects the bird to forces that would instantly knock a human out cold. To survive, its tongue actually splits, exits the jaw, loops completely over the back and top of its skull, and anchors right between its eyes. Every time its beak hits the wood, that massive tongue acts like a biological seatbelt, absorbing the brutal vibrations before they can rattle its brain. Talk about built different. Follow for more facts.